friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So friend, good morning and Har Har Mahadev. Friend, let's start this video. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about freedom. Yes, I'm gonna talk about freedom. I'm not talking about that freedom oftenly we think, freedom to go anywhere, to take decision by ourselves. No. I'm not talking about life, freedom. I am talking about that freedom which I give in this spoken journey, in this learning journey. So I give to my, I give this freedom to myself. What about you? Do you give to yourself or not? If you don't, then you should also start giving this freedom to yourself, because it's very important if you want to learn this language happily and fastly. So my dear friend, as we know that English is not our native language as well as our national language. It is in international language, our third language, and it is important, and we have a different region to learn it, and that's why we are learning. And you know so here what we need to do, we need to give this freedom to ourselves, freedom of making mistake. Yes, my dear friend, freedom of making mistake. Why? Because it is a new language, okay? And whenever, as we know that whenever we are going to learn any new thing, it's obvious we will make a lot of mistake. वी विल स्टार्ट विथ लॉट्स ऑफ मिस्टेक. जब भी हम कुछ नया सीखेंगे तो हम गलतियों से ही शुरुआत करते हैं, और गलती करके उसको सुधार के हम जो है वो चीज़ें सीखते हैं. नॉट ओनली इंग्लिश बट ऑल्सो any other things, anything. So here as well we have to understand the reality. I'm gonna learn a new language and I will make a lot of mistake. People will judge me, people will mock at me. This is the reality everyone you know has faced, and I will also face. So accept these things and give this freedom to make mistake. And if you learn this language, अगर आप इस mindset के साथ जो है ये लैंग्वेज जो है स्टार्ट करते हैं सीखना, तो जर्नी ही कुछ और रहेगा. आप इंजॉय करके सीखेंगे. यू विल लर्न वाइल इंजॉइंग, एंड इट विल बिकम easy to learn, and you can learn fastly. Otherwise we think, instead of thinking like that, we think, no, I don't have to make mistake, I don't have to get stuck. He or she is speaking very fluently, very perfectly, I want to speak like them. Yes my dear friend, you can set goal. आप गोल सेट कर सकते हैं. आपका जिसका भी स्पोकन अच्छा लगता है, आप उनके जैसा बोलना जो है गोल सेट कर सकते हैं. बट खुद को इतना भी कंपैरिजन मत करिए किसी से कि वो कंपैरिजन जो है आपके ऊपर स्ट्रेस क्रिएट करे, आपके ऊपर एंजाइटी क्रिएट करे. और इंस्टेड ऑफ इंजॉइंग दिस जर्नी, ये जर्नी इंजॉय करने के बजाय आप जो है इसको फ्रस्ट्रेट करके लर्न करिए. और एक ऐसा मोमेंट भी आएगा कि आपको लगेगा इसको गिव अप कर देते हैं. सो नो माय डियर फ्रेंड, अंडरस्टैंड द रियलिटी. आई विल मेक मिस्टेक एंड आई विल बी जज्ड बाय पीपल विल लाफ एट मी. इट्स ओके, आई एम रेडी टू फेस ऑल द थिंग्स. व्हेन आई विल फेस, जब मैं इसको फेस करूँगी तभी जो है ये चीज़ें मैं सीख पाऊँगी और इसमें परफेक्ट हो पाऊँगी. सो अंडरस्टैंड द रियलिटी, गिव दिस फ्रीडम to make give this freedom to make mistake and start this learning. See, in case of me, when I started learning, at that time I used to do a lot of mistake. In middle I did less mistake, and still I do mistake. And whomsoever tell my mistake, I correct it and learn from that mistake and get ahead. So you also think like that. 2 days ago someone commented in my comment box. I told one of my video, most of the people they don't know, but someone corrected me. No, you know say most of the people don't know, and I knew this one. But so many things I speak while speaking, I do mistake, but someone corrected me, I accepted happily. And now, yesterday when I was talking with someone, I corrected myself. When I had to say most of the people, I didn't use they. So see, I did mistake and someone corrected me. I accepted happily and removed that one. So similarly, you should give this freedom and try to learn this language happily. Make this journey easy. Then you can learn fast and become fluent in English. See, in case of children, if children they think that no, I don't have to try to, I don't have to learn a stand, I don't have to learn how to take a step, I don't have to learn how to walk. डायरेक्टली आई वॉन्ट टू वॉक, अगर बच्चे ये सोचना शुरू करें कि नहीं मैं खड़ा नहीं होना चाहता हूँ, मैं चलना सीखना नहीं चाहता हूँ, मैं जो है स्टेप लेना चलना नहीं सीखना चाहता हूँ, मैं तो डायरेक्ट दौड़ना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि वो बच्चा दौड़ रहा है तो मुझे भी दौड़ना है. सो हाउ इट विल बी पॉसिबल, इट वॉन्ट बी पॉसिबल. क्योंकि एक बच्चे को दौड़ने के लिए उसे वो चीज़ों से गुजरना पड़ेगा. दैट एक्टिविटीज़ नीडेड टू रन. उसे पहले स्टैंड करना सीखना पड़ेगा, उसको वॉक करना पहले सीखना पड़ेगा, उसको स्टेप लेना सीखना पड़ेगा. देन दैट चाइल्ड दे कैन run. So similarly here we need to understand, I will make mistake, I will get stuck, people will judge me. So everyone face it, I will also face, but I give this freedom to myself to make mistake and make mistake and start learning and learn from my mistake and correct and do practice more and more. We also have to think like that. But what we do, we just worry about all the things. So, see, worriness is totally waste of time. It doesn't change anything, but it steal your joy and keep you busy to not do anything. आप वरी होंगे तो क्या होगा कि आप कुछ भी चेंज नहीं कर पाएंगे, ये वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम होगा. आप वरी होंगे उससे कुछ चेंज होने वाला नहीं है, आपका टाइम जाएगा. और आप जो इन्जॉय करके चीज़ें सीख सकते हैं वो भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. और आप जस्ट आपका माइंड जो है आपको बिजी रखेगा जिस फालतू फालतू चीज़ों को सोचने में. सो इससे अच्छा है कि एक्सेप्ट द रियलिटी, गिव द फ्रीडम and start learning and you know do free, make yourself free to do mistake and learn from that mistake and do practice more and more. So my dear friend, that thing I wanted to tell and I give to myself, and you also have to give to yourself. Then you can make this journey happy journey and you can learn fastly, and your mind won't feel stressful. So if this video add any value, motivate you and motivate you and like any kind of helpful, so please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, we will meet in next video. Have a nice day.